Hey ladies and gents, this is Poet Spice, Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do the Tonic Craft Kit 24 Birthday Edition unboxing. It just arrived today, and this is the August kit. I'm trying to think, did they put the preview out for the September one? I don't know. But here is the August kit. And I can't believe they're 2 years old. Now, I didn't know about the Tonic Craft Kit for at least a year. But it's so exciting. So it came today. Always love these kits. Now, you know, sometimes it's not like my cup of tea, but I love it. And I think they'll probably get me into more mixed media because, you know, they do some mixed media stuff. And I don't really use it, but I keep getting it in the boxes, so we're going to have to use that. Okay, so first off, you get your welcome. It gives you your list of stuff that's in your kit. There's some other information. There's tutorials. Thank you, so forth. So you get that. So let me show you what comes in it. First, you get this rainbow paper pad. It's 6x6, 24 sheets. Why am I reading it to you? I hate when people do that. You can read it. Look, that's how many pieces of paper. It's double-sided. That's cute. It's just like a cute pad. Then you have the green on that one and yellow. And then you got this brown. So I could have used that in my mini book. And then the red. So that's cute. That's cute. All right, I'm going to show you this later because that has the doors and stuff in it. All right, then the other things, you get 2 different confettis. You can put these in your little shaker cards. So you get antique copper and olive green stars. So these are hexies and obviously that one's stars. So that's pretty cool. Here, maybe I'll open it. Let's see. Let's see. Woo! Here it comes, here it comes. So you can see all the little stars on there. Ooh, they're little tiny ones too. How cute is that? Look, now trying to get them back in there. I like that they look like little salt and pepper shakers. That's fun. Okay, so there's that one, and I don't know if you want to see the hexies, but we'll show you the hexies. Look at the hexies. I like hexies. Ooh. Can you see the hexie? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, and did you guys see the new tonic boxes that are coming out? Well, they came out today. So you get brown and green of that. You get this ink pad, which I love, and I'm glad it's hybrid. I don't know if they only make hybrid ink, but I like the hybrids. So it's called Carrot Stick. It came a little open though, so I don't know about that. Hybrid. So that means you can watercolor it, you can stamp it, you can use your alcohol markers in just one type of ink. You don't have to keep switching. Then I wanted some of these vintage drops to try them out. And they gave us, I can't read it. What's it say? Ooh, I can't read this one. Colonial Blue. I think I'm going to end up having to get my bifocals. Ugh. Blind as a bat. So, and this is a full-size one. So that's what I was saying before. I like that they give you some full-size products. And then they give you some minis. So this is the Ruby Red Glitter. Glitter drops. Glitter. It reminds me of glitter glue. I don't really know what the difference is, to tell you the truth. I'm not a big, you know. I guess this one is self-leveling is one of the big things, and it's not glue. But then you get a glitter marker. I actually have 2 of these. I have this one and one from another kit, and I have never used it. So let's see. It says it's Wild Lavender. And, oh yes, it snaps on at the back. I love that. I hate pens where you can't put the lid on the back of it. Let's see what happens. So we have to push it down. Just once? No. Twice. Oh, Oops, there's something. There's something coming. There, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Ooh, it's filling the pen. Can you see that? It's filling it up now. Ooh. Ooh. Glitter marker. All right, so what does it do? Let me write on something else. Okay, got a scrap. Let's see. Hello. Ooh. Okay. I like that it's sturdy enough that you can actually write instead of it glooping and glopping. That's pretty cool. Can you get a thicker line on the side? Huh. Is this dry? Takes a little minute to dry. That's cool. Because, you know, I'm not very girly in most cases, but I do like glitter. Glitter. I gotta like a glitter. Glitter, glitter. As long as it's not pink. Then you get some blisters. Like, that sounds like you have a disease. You get blisters. Oh, yeah, that's lovely. So there are these, and it's reminiscent of what you're going to get. So I thought these were cool because they were smaller. And the white part is adhesive. So if you've never had them before, I've never actually used them before. I have them, but I didn't use them. So you actually get the adhesive on there, which I would imagine is very helpful. So you get 10 of these. Yay! I am just rambling, you guys. I'm sorry. You get papers. And it's always a sampling of the paper that they have out. I love their like linen texture paper. You've got this green mirror card. You've got this yellow. It's so funny because I have these kits and I don't think I've used one piece of this paper because I hoard it. This, I think they call this Ruby Slippers glitter. So look at that. Hardly comes off. Yeah, because even though I do like glitter, one of the problems with glitter paper is it comes off, which is annoying. Okay, as a free, like, it's our birthday gift, you got a Nuvo keychain. So, you got the keychain part, a Nuvo on it, and what does this say? Oh, it just says Nuvo. Nuvo, 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 Nuvo. And it says Tonic Studios. I had to hold it up to my eyes because I can't see. And I'm glad it's purple and not pink. And I think there's a bunch of colors. I don't remember how many colors they said, but there are different ones. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to put that somewhere. I don't know where. We'll just put it on my desk for right now. Okay, then let's get to what I love the most. And everybody who's on my channel knows what it is. What does Jamie love the most when it comes to crafting supplies? Crafting supplies, crafting supplies. What does Jamie love the most? Crafting supplies. Everybody knows it's dies, 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 dies. So this month you get a Tonic Craft Kit binder because it's the quarter. So you get this and you can just stick your dies in there, in their little thing here. Although I would say, for me, what I would probably end up doing is taking a magnetic sheet and cutting it to fit in here because this paper is not going to last forever. All right, so you got a Celebrate sticker. You always get the sticker. You get, in this kit, a $15 voucher as well for celebrating their birthday. Here is just an ad for other paper. We can throw that away. You get these birthday best wishes. Some little sparklies, candles. So that's cute. Okay, y'all. And what's left? Dies, baby, dies. Dies, baby, dies. And let's see what kind. It is an easel card die. So you've got, here's the base for the easel, which means you can also use it for a mini album. Yeah, haha. So you got your easel card base. If you want to see this demonstrated, let me know and I'll add that to my list. Shoot, I might even do it tonight. It depends. And then you have additional circle dies here. You've got this fun little Celebrate whizzy flower, or not flower, but star die going on. Look, see, this matches the blisters. So those are the balloons. Celebrate! Celebrate! I don't know. I'm in a mood today. I don't know what is wrong with me. Here's the layer. So here's the layer. Oh, the only thing I wish they had done was put a backing layer. Oh, that would have been awesome. But oh well. So you have this, and I liked how they just stacked it up and did the little wonkiness. Then you have Celebrate and Happy Birthday, and then you have the backing layer to go with that. And then they have this little center of goobly Celebrate confetti stuff. So that's a cute die set. I really like the shape of it, so that was fun. And okay, so let me say explain what I was going to talk about. So see how these are on this plastic, and there's a plastic sheet in there, but you know, it's got tape holding this on to the plastic. So what I am going to do is take a magnetic sheet. I'll show you because I have some. I'm going to take a magnetic sheet, and even though it's over a little bit, it'll still work. So I'm going to take a magnetic sheet and then put that in here, because that'll make it easier to deal with, I think. Okay, so that is the Tonic Kit. Let's see what this hello is doing. Is it dry? It's pretty dry now. That's pretty good. Although I'm seeing that a lot of the glitter does come off, so I don't know. Could be because it's not all the way dry yet. We'll see. But anyway, that's what we get in this Tonic Kit today. Thanks for watching and putting up with my crazy mood. I don't know. It's probably because I only have like a few more days off and then I have to go back to work. Anyway, so see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and then come back for another video. Bye, babies.